this is Ashley with VacuumWizard.com, and today we're reviewing the Shark Pet Perfect 2. We found the Pet Perfect 2 to be a useful tool for quick cleanups, and found that with the motorized brush attached it had no problem removing fine particles from our floor. It was also powerful enough to pick up medium and large particles. Equally useful on carpet, we were able to pick up fine particles with the motorized brush attached. The motorized brush will not pick up medium or large particles without spitting them around, so you'll need to remove the motorized brush before cleaning these. The Pet Perfect was quick to grab and easy to use on our stairs. We were really impressed with all the dirt and dust that it extracted from the carpet on our stairs. The Pet Perfect 2 really lived up to its name and easily sucked up all of the dog hair off of our upholstered furniture. The noise level on this vacuum falls into our moderate category. One of the negatives about this vacuum is its filtration system. You can see here by the jump in our particle scanner that it's really not doing a good job of capturing particles from the air before releasing them through the exhaust. This might be a concern for those who suffer from asthma or allergies. One of the areas that the cordless feature of this vacuum is very useful is when you're trying to clean your vehicle. We found for the most part that it did a great job, although it was difficult to get the proper angle for the motorized brush sometimes, and it did not handle the contours of our vehicle very well. The crevice tool was especially useful for vehicle cleaning. We just found that it was a little short for getting in between our seats.